city lights, throw away the cars.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about this Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro. Yeah, this is a rugged tablet and I've been using this rugged tablet for the past couple of weeks as my primary tablet because it comes with a set of flagship class hardware and it is a feature packed tablet.
This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be.
Well, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come?
There are a few interesting features that I love about this tablet. The first of many amazing features of this Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro is its LED light setup. It has a dual LED lights setup at the rear panel. There are 483 LED light beads on each side. Together, it only consumes 5.5 watt of power. So yeah, definitely this is a very energy efficient lighting panel. Yeah, both the LED light panels can go very bright, up to 1100 lumens. In a low light environment, Armor Pad 3 Pro can be very handy, especially when camping outside. Nowadays, as I carry this Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro, I don't have to carry an extra flashlight, portable camping light or something like that. Moreover, this LED light setup is IPX8 rated, so we can even use it when it's raining. Yeah, it is highly resistant to water splash. And as it is a part of a rugged tablet, definitely this one can withstand rough environment. Well, Armor Pad 3 Pro also has a built-in application. Inside the application, we can turn on, turn off or switch to different modes, and the application is very easy to use. There is a slider where we can select timer or duration. Me and Rachel, we were camping last week. When we fell asleep, the light got turned off by itself.
This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be.
Oh yeah, there is a dedicated button I have already shown you, and we not only can power on or power off the light through this button, we can also change the light modes through this button. Outlook and appearance is subjective. We all have different taste and preference. However, I think you will agree with me. Ulefone Pad 3 Pro looks amazing. Especially the symmetric design along with all the curves and cutouts. It looks elegant. As usual, like any other Ulefone devices, Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro also comes with IP68, IP69K rating, and this one is also certified by military standard 810H. Okay, if you are worried about the display panel is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It is highly durable and can withstand accidental drops and impacts. Ulefone has also added protruding edges around the display panel, so it is way more protected than before. When held horizontally in landscape mode, here there is a customizable button along with the dedicated LED light button. It's good to see that Ulefone has used international orange as the accent color of the customizable button, so it is even more noticeable in the darkness. There are also two microphones located on top. Other than the uSmart port, there is nothing located at the bottom. The volume rockers and the power button all are located on the right side. The power button also doubles as a fingerprint reader because fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button. USB-C port, 3.5mm port and the speaker grill all are located on the right side. 3-slot SIM tray, HDMI port and another speaker grill is located on the left side. The SIM tray has a dedicated slot for TF card, so yeah, we can expand storage. As usual, Ulefone has made a lot of different accessories available for this Armor Pad 3 Pro. Using those accessories, we can turn this Armor Pad 3 Pro into a multifunctional device, and those accessories actually add a lot of convenience. I have bought an Armor Holster Pro and a 3-in-1 handheld rotatable bracket with a hand grip. The Armor Holster Pro actually is a carrying case along with a shoulder strap. It is custom made for working on Armor Pad 3 Pro on the go. It also has a kickstand and a hand strap. Altogether, it enables us to turn the Armor Pad 3 Pro into a workstation anywhere, anyplace.
This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be.
The hand strap is a secure attachment that wraps around the back of Armor Pad 3 Pro and allows us to hold the pad with a better grip. It eases the load and increases work efficiency. The 3-in-1 handheld rotatable bracket combines the hand grip, 360-degree seamless switching mount, and a kickstand capability.
Where the palm trees dance and sway.
Okay, the second special feature of this Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro is this one comes with a proprietary port where we can attach many plug-and-play devices. Ulefone has many different accessories and tools. All those support this uSmart expansion connector. All the accessories are plug-and-play and we don't even have to download anything. The tablet comes with a pre-installed application, so we don't have to go through any hassle. It's really very easy to use. Here comes my most favorite accessory of this Armor Pad 3 Pro, the sound kit. The sound kit effortlessly gets connected to the Armor Pad 3 Pro through the 8-pin connector at the back. It is a well-designed add-on. Once we put it on, it also works as a vertical stand. The synchronized colors pulsating to the beat will entice you to move your body, while the dazzling Halo's colorful LED lights will captivate your eyes, providing you with an immersive audio-visual experience whenever you desire. Okay, when I have noticed this on the Ulefone website, I have ordered one for myself. And the sound kit has not only surprised me with a crisp and clear sound quality, it actually goes very loud and it can reproduce all the different frequency sounds with clarity. Personally, I like and prefer Ulefone devices because the engineers of Ulefone always do a lot of research and then they develop the best. Yeah, the display panel of this Armor Pad 3 Pro is one of the best. The engineers of Ulefone have perfectly calibrated the 10.36-inch FHD Plus IPS LCD panel. Even if this is an IPS LCD panel, the display panel performance is very good. 1200 by 2000 screen resolution leads to a high pixel per inch density. And yeah, the panel has perfect color calibration, so it can reproduce perfectly natural colors. Black goes very deep, white is super bright, and I have used this Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro under different lighting conditions like under direct sunlight and under heavy studio lighting. In both the scenarios, the display panel of Armor Pad 3 Pro has performed very well.
Where the palm trees dance and sway.
I personally don't like to take photos with a tablet, but there are many different use case scenarios where camera performance matters. Armor Pad 3 Pro has a 32 megapixel Samsung sensor for selfie photos and selfie videos. It is also equipped with a 50 megapixel Samsung GN1 sensor. Remember, this is the sensor that Google has used in Pixel 7 Pro. It is a flagship sensor, so yeah, it performs like a flagship. I will let you enjoy some photos that I have taken with this Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro side by side with a camera-centric budget smartphone.
Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar where the palm trees dance and sway.
Well, at the beginning, I was a bit skeptical about gaming on a rugged tablet. But you know what? Ulefone has used a very capable SoC on this Armor Pad 3 Pro. Armor Pad 3 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 which is a very capable octa-core SoC. And you know what? It is a very energy efficient SoC. Anyway, yeah, you will be able to play games on Armor Pad 3 Pro. Me and Rachel, we both have been playing games on this Armor Pad 3 Pro for the past couple of weeks, and we have never felt like we are playing games on a rugged tablet. Yeah, even if it is a rugged tablet, this one doesn't even generate that type of heat. We have never noticed any thermal throttling, no lags, no hiccups, and as this tablet comes with a very good vivid and vibrant display panel, gaming on this tablet is more than enjoyable. Me and Rachel, we both have experienced delightful gaming sessions. Armor Pad 3 Pro has a very big 33,280 mAh battery pack. As this tablet is powered by an energy-efficient MediaTek Helio P60 SoC, that 33,280 mAh battery pack isn't massive. That's really humongous. I think I should have used the word ludicrous. Anyway, I have managed to squeeze more than 18 hours of screen on time. Remember, we were camping outside the city for a few days and we have been watching a lot of movies, we have been playing games, we have listened to music, and altogether 18 hours of screen on time. That was beyond my expectations. Oh, okay. We have even reverse charged our earbuds using the Armor Pad 3 Pro. Yeah, we can also use this Armor Pad 3 Pro as a power bank because this one supports reverse charging. So if someone needs to recharge some other devices, then he, she or they can easily use this Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro.
This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be.
Ulefone provides a 66-watt charger for free inside the box. So once the battery gets drained, we can easily recharge the tablet pretty fast. Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro runs on Android 13 out of the box without much of a customization. I really like this smooth OS experience. And as far as I know, Ulefone will offer major Android updates for a few years. So it is future-proof. Armor Pad 3 Pro comes with 8GB RAM on board and we can expand this RAM up to another 8GB. So in total, we have access to 16GB of RAM. Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro not only comes with the side-mounted fingerprint sensor, this one also comes with 2D face unlocking option. Yeah, both the fingerprint sensor and the 2D face unlocking option works fine and both are pretty fast. I haven't noticed any hiccups or any lags. Well, that's all about this Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro, one of my favorite rugged tablets that I can't even use because my girlfriend Rachel, she loves it more than me, so she uses it all the time. Well, I think I'll need to get another for me. Yeah, if you wanna get one for yourself, then go ahead, check the description box. Oh, before that, one request. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading.